Merry Christmas! Okay guys, in today's Christmas 2023, I'm spending my Christmas here on Taipei 101. I'm super excited to be here. So this is Paula Exploradora, solo travel girl. Remember to subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm doing this. I'm going on 101 Taipei here on Taiwan. This is another tallest building in the world. I'm going up. So let's check this out. Wow. Wow. That's so crazy fast.
There's
89, floor 89. Wow.
89 floors of 30. We did independent study.
Hi guys, this is Paula Exploradora, solo travel girl, and welcome to Taiwan. I'm right now on Taipei 101 and I'm so overwhelmed being here because this is so incredible. So let's check this out and hopefully you can come here too because this is incredible. You can see all Taipei with these beautiful views. Wow. Okay guys, so this used to be second tallest building in the world. Right now it's number 11, but it's the only one that is maintained in Chinese architectural style. That's why it's so popular. Taipei 101 here on Taiwan. Solo travel girl all around the world. Okay, so you've got here some awesome Instagram photos. Decorations, perfect to take some photos. The same here and there. This is Taipei 101 Christmas decoration here. This is so lovely. Wow. And these are the views. Wow, on the other side. This is absolutely stunning. Okay guys, this is the first open damper to the public, and this structure here called damper is holding entire Taipei 101 building in case of earthquakes and strong wind or typhoons. So this is incredible. Okay guys, so this damper holds entire structure of Taipei 101. Check this out. This is incredible. Wow. And the incredible thing about it is that we also can visit this and see it here. Wow. Amazing. Wow.
球体由8根高强度钢缆支撑。事实上，它可以减少40%的摇晃程度哟。
When there's an earthquake or a typhoon, it's moving. Incredible. It's called damper. And today we can visit this. Hopefully there's no earthquake. Wow. Okay, guys, so Taipei 101 should be on your list when you visit Taipei on Taiwan. You can get a discount to get here using my link. I'm going to leave the link to get a discount to get here below in the comments. So check this out. And hopefully you can come here too. This is absolutely amazing experience to be here. And it should be on your list when you travel to Taiwan. Check the views. Wow. So this is a photo space where you can actually choose any decoration you want and take beautiful photos. This is an Instagram made. It's pretty cool here. Look, there's so many people queuing, trying to take a photo, and you have this amazing views of the mountains on the back. Awesome, really awesome. Taipei on Taiwan, incredible, wow. Okay, so these are the spaces made for the photos, and there's also a coffee shop here, and I got $100 discount here. I can buy something if I want. 88.91 feet. Wow. And these are the views. This is absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, so this is how Taipei 101 celebrates Happy New Year. It's absolutely amazing. I wish I could be here for that time. Unfortunately, not this time. And there you go, the view that we get from here. Yeah, awesome, 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 amazing. Wow. Okay guys, so this is Paula Exploradora. I hope you like my adventures. If you can subscribe to my channel, that would mean world to me. I'm solo travel girl today on Taiwan, Taipei 101, but tomorrow who knows. This is solo travel girl all around the world, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2023-2024. Taipei 101, solo travel girl on Christmas. Yeah, and great views of city of Taipei. Okay, so there's another one. Great. I hope I can step on this spot to take photos. This is the other side of Taipei here, and this is all ready for Instagram shots. And this is amazing. This is the side. Yeah, this Taipei 101 is a Chinese architecture style tower. So you can see from this side. Okay guys, so this is the National Stadium, and there is a airport. Okay, traffic congestion today is not really big. And there's the city of Taipei, amazing, the best you can imagine. It is a little bit cloudy, but it doesn't matter. Wow, stunning. And that must be modern technological and part. And there, when you see this building there, there's my posh backpacker hostel just there, there. Yeah, that here. Okay, so right now I'm going to the floor 88, exit here, and this is the description. The outdoor today is closed, but it doesn't matter. I'm still enjoying it here. Okay, let's go floor 88. This way I'm gonna walk. Okay, so I'm going to floor 88. Yep, just walking. 377 meters, floor 88. And this is the entrance. Yep, this way. Oh, welcome. Okay guys, so floor 88 has this beautiful exposition of art. How beautiful it is. Wow. Different dimensions of Taipei. Wow, this is really beautiful. Taipei Impressions International Fine Art Competition. Wow, really beautiful. And this is the view from the floor 88. Amazing. Wow, and no people. Look, no people, just me and these people queuing to leave. Okay, so this is the view from the floor 88. I'm closer to the damper. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is what keeps the tower not moving and being stable and surviving earthquakes. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, today is closed, but this is how you get outside through that door here. So this is Paula Exploradora, solo travel girl. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and Merry Christmas! Thank you for watching. I hope I convince you to come here to visit Taiwan and Taipei one-on-one. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2024. Paula Exploradora from Taiwan. Bye!